Hello everyone, and in this video we're going to explore how to achieve perfect marks for section B of paper 1 for the English Literature A2 EDEXCEL qualification. So here's a brief reminder of the structure of the qualification itself. So there are 3 exams on one aspect of coursework. Paper 1 and 3 are 30% of your A2 total, and both are 2 hours and 15 minutes. Paper 2 and the coursework are 20% each. One is a 1 hour examination. One is a comparative essay which looks at text from 2 different forms. So, paper 1. We've already looked at paper 1, section A, which is an exploration of Shakespeare. Remember, this paper is based on drama. Section B is going to be focusing on another drama play you've studied, which was 25 marks rather than 35, because this time we're only looking at assessment objectives 1, 2, and 3. So what are they? Well, AO1 rather, is your ability to write a sophisticated essay using complex terminology. 2 is your ability to explore how form, structure and language support what you're saying is true. And then 3 is the ways in which context supports what you're saying is correct as well in all its various forms. So here's a chance for you to see whether you've been revising to 2 tasks. 1, how do you plan a response? 2, how do you write a response to achieve perfect marks? So pause this video. Make sure you're writing down your answers or discussing them, and when you're ready, press play to resume. So, let's have a look at the mark scheme then, shall we? So, to achieve full marks, level 5, 25, you can see here there are 3 assessment objectives, 3 bullet points. Each bullet point obviously is assigned to a certain assessment objective. So bullet point 1, AO1, are you able to create a sophisticated argument which obviously evaluates how writers have included literary features, making sure to also include complex terminology and ideas rather than just simple ideas like verb and metaphor and simile, which are important but not necessarily at the top band. You need to also, bullet point number 2, AO2, make sure that you are analysing form, structure and language to support what you're saying is true to a sophisticated level. Then 3, are you able to include how context, social, historical, literary context, can support what you are suggesting? Well, how do you plan the response? Again, very much a traditional essay structure you've been used to. Underline the key parts of the question. Make sure you note down whether you agree or disagree with the argument. That's the basis of your essay. Make sure you note down 3-4 reasons why you believe that's the case. Now you should go about making sure you get the form, structure, and language and context to support what you're saying is true for each point. Note these ideas down, because if you do it in bullet point form, you're able to do this in 10 to 15 minutes, so it's a skill you need to make sure you're practicing. Once proofread, you know you've got yourself a full mark essay, you just need to write it out in full sentences. So as I said to you just a second ago, practicing planning an essay is truly important if you're going to have the exam skills ready. But how do we write an answer? Well, let's look at that in our next video, shall we? So good luck, get practicing, keep revising.